Hello lovely people, welcome to Food Crunch with Phyllis. Today we are going to make the tastiest jollof rice ever without any artificial spices. This is all natural spices, so please stay tuned and then watch the video thoroughly. You see how easy it is to make jollof rice, especially you guys. Guys, the food is ready and this is the easiest jollof recipe for you and all natural ingredients, and it's very tasty. Please try it at home and always remember that the best ingredient for your food is love. Thank you so much for showing me support on my channel. Please subscribe, comment below and like, and also share to your friends as well and your family. See you in my next video. Bye.